Hey everyone, this is Uzma Rukhsar and today we are going to do a very soft Pakistani bridal makeup under budget 1000. So stay tuned. The first step of makeup is to moisturize your skin. So please guys, whenever you apply makeup, always remember to moisturize your skin, otherwise your makeup will start to look very harsh. For that I have used a serum by Dotas which is really effective and gently massaging my face. As you can see guys, I've already done my eyebrows. So if you want to know how I did them, there's a link in the description box below. Do watch it. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes with a foundation by FC. Remember guys, it's always important to prime your eyes because if you will not, the oil on your eyelids will not let the eyeshadow look as vibrant as you want. For blending, I'm gonna use a blender and gonna blend until it absorbs. Remember guys, you have to give a continuous tap on the blending. Don't drag the blender so hard because it will make the product wipe out. For eye makeup, I'm gonna use an eyeshadow palette by Miss Rose. I'm gonna start my eye makeup with a transition shade and gonna tap off my brush because I don't want any excess product on it. I'm gonna start my eye makeup by applying the eyeshadow on the outer corner and will take it on the crease of my eye. The key is to blend very softly, don't put too much pressure on it. And blend until you get perfection. Always tap off the excess and start with the outer corner of your eye and then take it on the crease and inner corner of your eyes and then blend it with circular motion with the light hand. For the inner corner of your eyes, always go with a small brush. Never go with a fluffy one because it will make the product go everywhere and you want to put the highlights in the smallest area of your eye. So always choose a small brush and be precise where do you want to add highlights. If you are going for smoky eyes, always start by putting on the eyeshadow on the outer corner of your eyes and then slowly take it upward. I'm gonna base my skin with Lakme CC 9 to 5. Again, I'm using the blender and this is not the same one, this is a different one. Remember guys, you have to give a continuous and gentle tap in order to get the product absorbed completely in your skin. Actually, that's why we use blender, because it takes all the product in itself and gives us a flawless skin. The key is to blend only. The more you will blend, the more flawless makeup you will get. Just blend, blend, blend. For contouring, I'm gonna use a contouring palette by ADS. And I'm gonna draw a line under my cheekbone, similar with the other one. A little on the top of my forehead. And for the nose, I'm not gonna go with the blender, I'm gonna go with the brush. And remember, the closer the lines will be, the slimmer your nose will look. Well, I'm not gonna go with the high dimension of contouring today because I'm going for a soft makeup. Now I'm gonna highlight the bridge of my nose with concealer. A little on forehead, underneath my eyes, and a little on my chin. Now I'm gonna move to my jawline and start dragging the contouring from the corner of your ear. Similar to the other side. And it's time for blending. So this is my face after contouring, and you can see the visible difference. The cheeks are looking less chubby, the nose is looking a little sharp, not that much because I don't have one, but a little. And also try to avoid my neck as I forgot to paint that as well. I'm using the highlighter from the same palette, and here I'm highlighting my cheekbones. Just tap tap tap. Similar with the other one. Bridge of my nose. And the areas you want to highlight. For the lips, I'm using the lipstick by Mars, number 23. And you are done. Do comment if you like it or have any kind of suggestion for me. Like it and subscribe it, and do share among your girls squad. And thank you for watching. Ta-da!